Hello, hello, hello. How are you? Welcome to Bemis Crafty Corner. This is week 16 of our Monday Mixed Media Mini Morsels. Wowzer. We are using our regular mixed media playlist. You can get a copy of this from the description below. It'll take you to a link to my Google Drive, and you can get a copy of that if you'd like. And we allow the random number generator on the phone to pick the numbers for us. Here we go. What are we coming up with this week? We're going to talk about each one of these at the end. So, number 45, use fibers. Number 15, use stamps. Number 1, splatters or drips. Number 27, metallic paint. And our last one this week is number 47, and that is to outline. All right. Wow. What a week, huh? Okay, so using fibers is any kind of fiber that you want. So fibers technically are any kind of like yarn, string, fabric, anything that's textile. All right. Using stamps. Now this can be interpreted a couple of different ways. You can use rubber stamps or you can use postage stamps. Maybe you want to make your own stamps. Maybe you want to take vegetables and cut shapes out of them and use those. That works. Splatters or drips. So you either want to splatter some paint on there or drip some paint or ink or however you want to do it. Metallic paint is any kind of paint that has that metallic texture to it. And then to outline is to outline anything that you want. You can outline everything. You can outline some things, maybe outline one thing, maybe make that one thing stand off the page. It's entirely up to you. But you can add or subtract any way that you want from this. Use any substrate that you choose. I would love to see what you come up with. So if you would like to post it in my group, there's a link to the description below that has a link to my Facebook group. And I would love to see what you have come up with. Until I see you again, stay well, my friends. Bye-bye.